What's good, y'all? Back with episode 3. Today we'll be cooking beef and broccoli. Let's get it. Alright, first we're going to start off by cutting the steak against the grain for a good tender cook. Then we're going to hit it with a little salt, pepper, and sesame. Toasted sesame seed oil, cornstarch, soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. Alright, let's get out a good mix. Alright, while our steak is marinated, let's start on the rice. To a hot wok, we're going to add oil and sesame seed oil and cook our steak till well done. Alright, let's start out on our broccoli. Alright, now we're going to make our sauce. 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Alright, now we're going to add our seasoned blend of red pepper flakes, Sazon, onion powder, and a little bit of Tony's. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and also ginger powder. Give that a good whisk till it's all blended together. Now we're going to take our sauce and add it back into the pan with the steak and the broccoli. Let it cook down for about 10 to 15 minutes and you're ready to eat. Voila.